In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to buy Walmart Plus for gas at Murphy, USA. 1. Open the Walmart app on your smartphone, and then navigate to Local Services section. Look for the option labeled Walmart Pay. Proceed to the gas station section and choose Gas Station Payment Method. Select the payment method as a QR code, and then at the Murphy, USA gas station, use your smartphone's camera within the Walmart app to scan the QR code displayed at the pump. Confirm the payment details within the app. And once the QR code is scanned and payment details are confirmed, proceed with the transaction to purchase gas. You should receive a confirmation of the transaction within the Walmart app. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.